In this matrix, let's start by looking at our diagonals. Our 1, 5, 9 diagonal shows similar shapes in similar orientations. So let's reorganize our matrix into our diagonals and see if we might be onto something here. Once we have everything oriented in our 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 7, and 3, 4, 8 diagonals, we can see that there is a relationship, that each diagonal has the same shape or throughout the entire diagonal, and they're in the same orientation throughout the diagonal, which tells me that our missing element cannot be B, D, or F because it needs to be a trapezoid that is in the similar orientation as it is in element 1 and 5. Now the other thing that's going to help us find our missing element is the pattern of the outline of each of these shapes. For each type of shape, there is a whole version of the shape, a version of the shape that's missing one edge, and a version that is missing an entire chunk, and I'll show you what I mean. Element 8 is missing an edge, element 4 is wholly intact, and element 3 is missing a chunk that has several edges missing as a part of that chunk. Element 7 is missing a chunk, element 6 is an edge, and element 2 is wholly intact. So, if we look at our first diagonal, element 1 is an edge missing, element 5 is a chunk missing, so element 9 should be a wholly intact trapezoid, which is answer choice